With the tank cover in an upside-down position, slide the cartridge filter down over the lid cage, pushing until the filter seal is against the cover. Next, place the filter retainer into position over the filter opening. Hold the tank cover with one hand while turning the handle on the filter retainer to tighten and lock the filter into position. The cartridge filter can be used for dry pickup and small quantities of wet pickup. When cleaning the cartridge, first remove the cartridge by reversing the steps explained for proper installation. Next, shake or brush off excess dirt into a large trash receptacle, or rinse from the inside of the filter with water. Allow up to 24 hours to dry before reinstallation. When picking up fine dust or powders, using the disposable filter bag in conjunction with the cartridge filter is recommended. First, unscrew the hose locking nut. Next, remove the inlet deflector from the deflector guide. Then position the inlet deflector with the opening facing the left or right side of the filter bag. Next, slide the filter bag collar over the inlet deflector. Make sure to match the notches of the bag to the tabs on the inlet deflector. Next, slide the inlet deflector with the filter bag attached to the deflector guide. Then reinsert the hose into the inlet and tighten the locking nut. When vacuuming large quantities of liquid, always use a foam sleeve. When using the wet pickup feature, it's important to remove all dry-use filters and bags. It's also essential to remove all dirt and debris found in the tank. To empty the tank of liquid, remove the drain cap and deposit all liquid waste contents into a suitable drain solution. Before storing the wet-dry vacuum or using it for dry pickup, first clean and dry the interior of the tank and cover. Clean and allow filters to dry completely. This unit is equipped with an automatic suction shutoff that operates when picking up liquids. As the liquid level rises in the tank, the internal float rises upward until it seats itself against a seal at the intake of the motor and shuts off suction. When this happens, the motor will develop a higher than normal pitch noise to indicate the vacuum should be turned off and the tank emptied. To use any of these units as a blower, insert the hose in with locking nut into the blower port and tighten. Follow all included recommendations provided inside the user manual. For additional information on this and other Shop-Vac products, visit Shop-Vac.com. If it doesn't say Shop-Vac, it isn't a Shop-Vac.